Hello everyone, I am Dinesh from Mission Institute of Technology. Today I am excited to present our Salesforce airline management system. So this project developed as a part of the Smart Intent Internship program. This project demonstrates how Salesforce can be customized to manage airline operations, including flights, passengers, bookings, crews, and it also some provide reports and dashboards. Created custom objects for flights, passengers, bookings, and crews. For example, if you take flights, it have departure and arrival info. What is the arrival time? Where it departs from? For where it departs to? What's the departure date? Departure time? What is the flight name? And what is the PNR name? So it contains all the related information in this particular object. For example, if you take a passenger object, it contains details like a passport, contact numbers of the passengers, passenger names, what is the expiry date of passport, what is the when the passport was issued, what is the passport number. So it contains all the details about contact and passport details of passengers. For example, if you take a booking object, it links passengers and two flights. So it contains data like what is the booking ID, flight where it departs from and where it departs to, what is the departure date, what is the passenger name, and travels like if the travel is adult or child or infant. So it contains details in this object. For example, crew object. The crew object is mainly created for the employees and flight relationships. So, for what employees, what are the duties in the flight, and what is the role of the employee in that flight. So, we created crew object. You can see like what is the flight and what is the qualification of the crew member, what is the role of the crew, and email, phone information. So, all the information is managed in this crew object. So next you come to the tabs in the service now. So users can access all the objects from a single navigational bar. So you can see here. So in this single navigational bar, we can access flight details, passengers, bookings, and so to do this, we can create tabs for the particular object. You can observe here like passengers, flights, cruise bookings to manage easily. We created reports to track bookings and flight details and dashboards to visualize the data. So, for example, if you take passengers booking, so in this we can observe, we can represent what is the passenger name, departure date, and what is the booking ID easily in this dashboard. For example, if you take another dashboard, flight booking dashboard, you can observe how many adults are traveling, how many childs are traveling, how many infants are traveling. So to get data easily, to visualize data, we can use these dashboards. So come to the reports, we can observe to track bookings and flight details easily. So booking switch flight details. So in this you can see easily how many adults are booking flights with what is the booking ID, what is the flight name, and in which date their departure. So how many days in France. So to get details easily, we can use these reports. So through with flight. So this is mainly for what through what is the rule in that flight. So you can all the information is managed like see crew member, what is his role, and for what flight or what is the flight name because of to work. You can observe all the data in these reports. So to manage information easily, we can use these reports and to visualize data, we can use dashboards. So now see how this project works. Let us see a demo. For example, flights. If you want to register a new flight, you can click on new and enter any flight names like Airbus, and what is the capacity of flight? Means how many numbers that a flight able to travel like, and from where it departs, and from for to it will go, and what is the flight PNR number? What is the departure date, time, and in which time the flight arrives? You can give all this information and click on save. So after clicking save, so the flight details will save successfully in the database. So next, passengers. So if you want to register a new passenger, click on new and give the details like what is the name of the passenger, phone number, password number. So when the password was issued, expiry date, date of birth, and what is the nationality of passport. And click on save to save that passenger. So it is the booking tab where it links flights and passengers through this booking. So to create a booking, click on new, and so what is the departure date, and after that we can select which flight does the travel wants to travel, and what is the passenger name. From to we can give the what are the stations available like that, and travels, select if he is adult or child or infant, and what is the class, academic class or beginner, and the first class. So by giving these all details, click on save to confirm the booking. So after this, you will get a message like your booking is confirmed with some date and some ID like that. So cruise, this is mainly for management. So to register, to assign a crew to a flight through this tab. So what is the flight? For example, if you select flight and the crew number. So what is the name of the crew? Phone number, email, qualification, and what is his role? Pilot out. So we can assign through this way crews to the flight. You click on save. So to successfully assign. And these are the reports already we discussed dashboards. So this is the complete working of this project. So this project demonstrates how Salesforce can be customized to streamline airline operations, enforce data integrity, and provide insights through reports and dashboards. Thank you for watching.